So friends, it's HASTech, always access granted, and this here with me is the JBL charge-free replica, and today we are gonna do a detailed tear down of this stuff. So without wasting any more further time, let's begin. First we are gonna pop open its outer shell or outer cover with the help of a screwdriver while unscrewing two of the screws to make it open. This is the inner part of the speaker, but don't worry, we are gonna go to its roots. Keeping the flap aside, which can easily be attached at the reassembly of this speaker. Now, this is the bottom plate of the speaker, which is made of rubber, which hides 4 screws. It has 8 front screws and 4 screws at its bottom. Let's remove them all, which gives us access to its bottom plate, which also acts as a support to the speaker. Let's also keep it aside. Time to open up our main diamond. Yeah, revealing all of this stuff. This totally consists of 2 circuits and 2 speakers, and yeah, 1 battery with 2 base radiators on the side, totally removable. And the base radiator on the inner side looks like they are made of rubber mesh. Adequate quality though, does not feel cheap on the inside. Let's remove all the parts from its assembly. This is its front panel, and these 2 speakers, internal speakers, they are about 4 ohms and 5 watt speaker, which I don't know is real or fake because it's Chinese. They can literally just print any stuff on anything. Unhooking the battery from its circuit. The battery seems to be hardly attached onto its housing and can't be removed easily, so there will be a little problem while changing the battery if you must. And the battery is a lithium battery, generally 4 to 5 volts. And this is the circuit plate, which consists of buttons, and another circuit plate, which is the most important because it connects both the speakers as well as the batteries, and also has all the input stuff. And while opening the speaker, I killed a headphone jack or 3.5 mm aux adapter. Shit happens, you know. There is a serial number on the plate. These are the 2 main speakers which provides all the sound. You can actually replace them if you want. You can buy the real charge-free speakers and replace them inside it, and they will work just fine. Also, you can upgrade its battery if you want. If you want a video on that, be sure to comment it. I will try my best to make it happen. Upgrading a charge-free replica. The circuits also seems to be certified. Well, what can we say? This bottom rubber plate seems to be of good quality, and this cover flap, this looks totally fake. And now the button. What can I say about it? And this thing powers the whole speaker up. You never know when it's gonna blast. So now I will assemble the replica as quick as possible of the camera and will give it a go, whether it works or not. Let's see. I just hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to like the video, comment, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel please. It's just free. Peace. Let me know any more suggestions in the comment section below, or new gadget which I should review. I will try my best to make it happen.